In this my USA TikTok account, I've been able to do the identity verification with my local ID card. You can verify your USA TikTok account with your local ID or your passport. And no, you don't need a USA ID card to verify your USA TikTok account. I'll show you how to verify your USA TikTok account in just 3 steps. If you don't follow it step by step, your verification can be rejected. And that means you can't receive any money that you make with your TikTok Creator Rewards program. This same process can help you verify identity for your UK, France, or any other international TikTok account. Many people get rejected when verifying their identities with their local ID cards due to these simple rules that they don't even know about. But I'll show you the rules so that your ID don't get rejected. I'm Emmanuel, and on this channel I share with you my own experience in the online money making space. So if you're interested in this topic, subscribe. Let's go. The first step is simple. You have to be eligible for the TikTok Creator Rewards program or any of their monetization tools. So here in my account, click on this 3 dash, click on TikTok Studio. It will bring you here and you can see whether you are eligible or not. And if you are not eligible, they will tell you the rules which you can also follow to be eligible. Now, the first rule is that you must be 18 years or older. The second rule is that you have to have at least 10,000 followers, as well as you must have 100,000 views in the past 30 days. But there are some hidden rules that I'm going to tell you about that many people don't even know about. Now, your account type must be a personal account and not a business account. That is one of the hidden rules that most people don't even know about. And your account status too must be following the TikTok guidelines. And you must be in the location where TikTok Creator Rewards program is eligible, like the US, UK, Germany, Japan, Korea, France, Brazil, or any of the locations which are eligible for this monetization program or any of their monetization tools. So if you don't have a USA TikTok account and you want to create one, I've already made a video about that, and I'll link that in the comment section as well as the description of this video. Now, the content requirement is that it must be 1 minute, as I said. So content formats which are not eligible for the program includes duets, stitches, and photo modes. These are not eligible and you can't make money from these content. So your content must be quality and not clickbait or unoriginal material, or it will violate their rules and you can't get monetized with their various monetization tools. This is the first step. The next step is very crucial, and if you don't follow this one step by step, you can get rejected at any point when doing your identity verification with your local ID. So make sure you pay attention closely. After you meet the criteria of the first step, when you click on the 3 dash, click on TikTok Studio, come here, you'll see that the TikTok reward program will be opened for you. When you click on it, this will bring you to a page like this where you see your balance. Now, when you see your balance like this and you want to verify your identity, all you need to do is to scroll down here. So when you scroll down here to bring you here, you can see payment method, identity verification, and tax information. Also, I'm going to make a video about how you can add your payment method to your USA TikTok account, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that. So here, all you need to do is to click on identity verification down here. When you click on it, this will bring you to a page like this, and you can see here what you have to do is to select your country of issuing. So don't worry if you are in Nigeria, if you are in Ghana, India, or anywhere in the world, your card will work. So simply select the country that you are from and the card that you are using. You can see ID card, driver's license, or passport. And pro tip is that using a passport guarantees you a high chance of getting your identity verified within some couple of minutes. So if you have a passport, you can use it rather than using your local ID card. Click on the next down here, get your ID card ready. You will capture the front and back of the ID. So just put your ID down and put up the front page right here. Click on capture down here to capture the front page of the ID. When you get it clear and you know that this is good, click on confirm or retake the photo. If you think that the photo that you took is not good, you can take it again. When you click on confirm, you can see checking your ID. Stay on this screen. This may take few seconds. Identity information under review. So TikTok will actually go through your ID and also check it out whether it's valid or not. Within some few minutes, if you listen very carefully to the next step of this video, which is where I'm going to tell you how to get your ID verified and not rejected, your ID will be accepted just like this one right here, which you can see identity verified. So we have the document rules and the photo rules. The first rule of the document rule is that your ID must be active and not expired. Make sure you submit an ID which has the correct date or within the date which is active and not expired. Make sure it's your national government issued ID or your passport. And as I said, if you use your passport, it works really well because you can use passport for international things. So that one is easy to also verify it. The next rule is that your ID details must match with your real name, your real birth date, and everything on your ID must be real, because in monetization features like TikTok Shop, when you also get to open the TikTok Shop or you get monetized with a TikTok Shop, you'll be asked to enter your real name and everything with your government issued ID. And if the details that you entered doesn't match with the one on the ID, your account will be rejected and you can't monetize with TikTok Shop or some of the monetization features on TikTok. And the next rule is to submit a full ID. This means that your ID must be in good state, not the edges cut off or not some of the ID parts worn. Your ID must be clear and must be seen when taking a picture of it. Here are some rules when taking a photo of your ID. First rule is that your ID must not have a glare. As I said, do not shine light on your ID. So preferably you will do this in the afternoon so that the natural light can shine on it and you can also take a good picture of your ID, because if there is a glare or light shine on your ID, it will be rejected instantly. The second rule when taking the photo is that you keep your ID flat. So make sure you put it on an even surface so that the ID will pop out of the background, and when taking the photo it will be clear and easy to also verify. And the last one is that when uploading your ID, so if you use the TikTok web version, you can actually upload your ID from your photo gallery, and it must be in the right format such as JPEG so that your ID can be verified very fast. And these are some operational rules when also verifying your ID on TikTok. Now, you must be within the country where you can actually monetize with various monetization features, as I said, USA, Mexico, France, UK, and other countries. So make sure you be in that jurisdiction. And as I said, if you don't have a USA TikTok account, I've also shown you how to create it in my last video. So I'll link it in the comment section as well as the description of this video. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to verify your tax information on your USA TikTok account, and also you have to add a payment method to actually receive your payment from TikTok. And I've already made a video on how to create a PayPal account, because USA TikTok account actually requires you to put in your PayPal account to receive payment. If you want to watch that, I'll put a link in the description of this video. Click on the video on the screen right now to watch the last video I made about how to create a USA TikTok account from anywhere in the world.